Hey, what's up guys? After 1.8.5 update, many people ask me about clock faces. Guys, if I edit lock screen and change clock font like this, look at this. Guys, clock face missing in edit lock screen. Look at this in style. Clock faces missing after 1.8.5 update. And many people don't know how to enable these new clock faces on 1.8.5. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable these 1.8.5 clock faces on your Galaxy devices. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first go to Galaxy Store and download GoodLock. Simply download GoodLock. After download GoodLock, simply tap and open. And guys, in plugin, look at these clock face plugin. Simply download clock face plugin. After download clock face, guys, simply tap on clock face and open. And look at this. This is 1.8.5 clock face. New clock faces. Some new clock faces add after 1.8.5 update, like this. Look at this. This is new clock add after 1.8.5 update. Now let me show you more clock faces. Look at these in Studio, new clocks. Preset clocks. Simply tap on download, allow and install, and simply set on your lock screen. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.